Today's featured pickup truck of the day is a 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, two-wheel drive, short box, square body, and it was lowered with a 350 V8 engine and an automatic transmission and a custom interior and some bigger wheels and tires and a nice tonneau cover on the bed, and had a good look to it. And it sold for $35,000, classic car and truck auction that I went to recently. And it was a good looker. Definitely had the eyeball, that's for sure. That's probably why it sold for a good price. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado with a custom interior, some bigger tires and wheels, lowered, and it sold for $35,000 at a classic car and truck auction that I went to recently. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.